Welcome back. So now, if we look at our course outline, we see that now done from 1 to 6. We've looked at what is a website, what you need to create a website, choosing a domain name and web hosting, creating your first website using WordPress, applying themes, integrating payment. So now we're on the 7th item of our course, which is search engine optimization. So in this section, we're going to look at how you can optimize your website. This Layla Dry Cleaners, for instance, we're going to look at optimizing it so that when people search for dry cleaning firms in Lagos and all of that, the website has a very good chance of showing up in search engines like Google and the likes. So if you're ready, let's go. So the first thing we are going to do is that we're going to add a new plugin. So this plugin enables us to do SEO very easily. It's called Yoast. So that's it. It's called Yoast. So this is it, Yoast SEO. So click on install now. Okay, so now that it's installed, click on activate. Okay, so now that we've installed it, so let's click on the Yoast, the SEO actually. This is it right here. Click on it. So that brings us to the general tab. So since this is the first time we're actually working with Yoast, we have to make things easier for us. We can make things easier for us by using the Yoast configuration wizard. So let's go straight to it. So click on it. So this is the Yoast configuration wizard. So now the first thing it asks is, please specify if your site is under construction or already active. So now you are to choose option A always, unless you are actually developing this WordPress website on your local computer only and is not yet on the internet. So click option A, click next. So now what type of site does layla.netlog.com.ng represent? So as you well know, it's a small offline business. So if it's something else, just choose something else. Let's go on. So next it asks, does your site represent a person or an organization? So now it represents an organization, obviously. So the reason it's asking us this question is because this information will be used in Google's knowledge graph card, the big block of information you see on the right side of the search results. So we're going to see what a knowledge graph card looks like. So for now, we're going to just choose organization. So the name of the organization, of course, is Layla. Okay, so now let's choose an image of the organization's logo. So choose image. So here we're going to pick the Layla logo that is not white. That's this one. Okay, so choose image. Okay, so that's it. So Facebook URL, we don't have any of this, so we're just going to leave them as they are. Let's move on. Okay, so search engine visibility. It says, please specify what content types you would like to appear in search engines. If you do not know the differences between these, it's best to choose the default settings. So the default settings are actually okay unless you know what you really want to do. Okay, so I think that default settings are actually fine. I think every other thing here is in order. So go on, click next. So multiple authors. Now, does or will your site have multiple authors? So if it will have multiple authors, click yes, but since it's just you, the single person who designed it, that will be managing the site, click no. Click next. So now in this area, the website name is called Layla Dry Cleaners. So now when Yoast is performing search engine optimization, now take a look at the top here. You notice that we have Yoast SEO, that's the name of the website, and then we have the name of the page, configuration wizard. Now if you look, you see this angle icon here. Now that is the separator. So when Yoast is actually creating your page titles for you automatically, it actually is asking you for what type of separator you would like. So that you can see they use an angle here. We are going to use just a hyphen. So this is fine. Let's click on next. So next thing, Yoast is asking you to allow them to track your site data. Just click no. Click next. So now Yoast is also asking you here to sign up to their newsletter. So if you don't want it, you can just leave that as it is, and you can take this out if you want, but for me, I'm just going to leave everything as they are and click next. So that's it. It says you've done it. Yoast SEO will now take care of all the technical optimization of your site. To really improve your site's performance in search results, it's important to know everything our plugin has to offer. Sign up for our free Yoast SEO plugin training, in which you will learn how to use Yoast SEO. Okay, so now you can choose to click on this, but for now, we are done with all the customizations that we need to get Yoast to work. So now you can see that that option is checked. Now the Yoast SEO has checked through our website and sees that there is no serious SEO problems right now. So there are other options here that you can go through at your own leisure, but let's look at some few things that Yoast actually has to offer, some few features that Yoast has to offer. SEO analysis. So this SEO analysis offers suggestions to improve SEO of your text. Okay, so these are all the things that Yoast actually helps us do. So we don't really need to do any changes here at all. So we're actually done with the basic things that we need. So let's actually see how Yoast helps us to optimize our website for search engines. So right away you notice some few things. Now if you look at the title here, you can see that we now have titles for each of our pages, and with the separator that we chose, and then the name of the website. So these are things that actually helps your site to do well in Google. Now if you press Ctrl U on your keyboard and check, you will see that there are some things that Yoast has already set a title for you, and it has done a few other settings that both for Twitter and other social media, it has already optimized things for you. So Yoast has actually done quite a lot of things in the background, but you may not really understand what these do right now. But just know that your site now has at least quite a good level of optimization for search engines. But there are things that you now need to do or take into consideration henceforth when you make any change, when you add a new page, or when you want to ensure that your site is actually ranking better in search engines. So one of the ways that you would know that the Yoast plugin is now on your WordPress installation is that now when you try to edit a page, remember that this is our edit page section. On the right you would now see some things from Yoast SEO that you will need to edit. So for example, Yoast SEO is flagging two things now that you need to correct. So now you need to go through each and every one of these pointers and make sure that you make changes within your text in order to correct what has been listed out here, and make sure that the icon is now turned to green. So that's what you need to do for each of the sections of the Yoast plugin that are outlined here. So for instance, let's see this first statement. It says consecutive sentences. The text contains two instances where three or more consecutive instances start with the same word. Try to mix things up. So now look at, it says it contains two or three instances where three or more consecutive sentences start with the same word. Now look at this. For instance, we are a professional dry cleaning firm based in Victoria Island, right in the heart of Lagos. We offer, it all begins with we. So now it's saying you should try to mix things up. So let's see what we can do now to try to mix things up. So let's say here we say at Layla. Okay, so we have just made a change here. At Layla, we are a professional dry cleaning firm based in Victoria Island, right in the heart of Lagos. At Layla Dry Cleaners, we offer free pickup and delivery within the island and environs, as well as affordable pickup for other locations. Okay, so you are set to receive nothing but the very best when it comes to dry cleaning and laundry services. So now let's update and let's see what if this would actually change for us. So let's reload the page. So we notice that yes, the issue still exists. So now have to look at the text. So you can see in here where we put this is a short description. This is a short description. We still have the same text starting individual sections. So the plugin is actually frowning at that. So besides this, now at the bottom of the page you also get to see the tools that Yoast SEO is displaying to help you structure your content properly. Now you can see the readability is still flagging these two issues. So now let's try to change up these texts and see if we'll get a better result. So now you can see we have actually made some changes, quite a number of changes to our texts. So now I think we should get a good result, a better result now. Let's click on update and let's see what the readability analysis would be now. Okay, so now I can see that we still have quite a bit of work to do. So, but making all of these adjustments will help you. Now check. It says only 7.9%. Remember it was 5.4 initially. Now it says only 7.9% of the sentences contain transition words, which is not enough. So now you just need to go through each of these links that the plugin has pointed out and then make changes to your text as appropriate. Before we round up, let's quickly look at the other things that the plugin helps us to do. Now it gives us a preview of what this page would look like in Google. So now it says that please provide a meta description by editing the snippet below. Okay, so you can see that our page does not have a meta description. We need to be able to add a meta description to this page. So let's do so by selecting some content here. So I'm going to copy that and paste in here. Okay, so now we have a meta description here. Okay. We are a professional dry cleaning firm based in Victoria Island, right in the heart of Lagos. At Leila Dry Cleaners, we offer pickup and delivery within the island and environs, as well as affordable pickup for other locations. Leila Dry Cleaners ensures you are with the utmost staff. Okay, so now we have created some content. Okay, so this is what the text would look like if we were on the mobile. While on the web, now this is what it would look like. Scroll to view preview content. So now we can scroll this way. So this is what our website would look like if it was searched for on Google. So just play around with all of these settings. Keep changing things and seeing the results, and then at the end of the day, this plugin will help you ensure that your content is really superb. So there are other sections here like the schema and the social. So we don't have Facebook image and all of that. So you would have to go through each of these one after the other to ensure that all of the sections have appropriate content, and then your site will be fully search engine optimized, and this would help you get more traffic. So let's move on to the next section of our tutorial.